With me on whiskey and you on wine, getting Tennessee tipsy in the neon light. Yes, what we do, girl, it's kind of our thing. A little jukebox dancing in the smoky drain. We're as easy as you got your drink, I got mine, but we got the same thing on our mind. I guarantee best times tend to be with you on wine and me on whiskey. You on wine, me on whiskey. Oh. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you how to play another new song from Morgan Wallen's newest album called Dangerous. It's a super good song, super good album. Yeah, so let's get into it. Please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. And YouTube serves the videos up to more people, the more likes that they get and the more comments that they get. So if you could just let me know, comment in there, hey, I thought it was great, or if you have any questions or anything, let me know, or other song requests, let me know in the comments as well. I would really appreciate it. All right, so let's get into this song. It's very easy to play. There's basically one strumming pattern throughout the whole song, and there's only 2 chords, so it should be a pretty short video. I'll show you where you do the chords as well as we play. I'll just show you once in the verse, once in the chorus, and then I'll also show you, just because the strumming is a little bit different in the bridge, so I'll show you there too, okay? So let's get into it. You're gonna have a capo on the 4th fret, and it's in standard tuning, okay? So the 2 chords that you're gonna use, you're gonna do A minor 7, okay? And then you're also gonna do G. You can do this G or this G. I've been playing it in this G, but it's up to you, okay? Whatever's easier for you, whatever your thing is, okay? So you're gonna start with down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up. So you do that A minor 7, then G twice. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you see that's just down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so that's all you're doing. Down, down, up. Okay, you're just doing that one. Okay, so it's very easy. Now when you do the intro, I'd play it a little bit louder. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, then after you get done with the intro, so you're gonna play it twice. When you're done with the intro, then I would play the verses much softer, because that's what they do. Okay. All right. I know we made a downtown reservation. Let's get there early, get drunk and break it. Okay, so you're gonna play it softer like that. The way you can do that is mainly by playing the bottom 3 strings or the bottom 4 strings. But either way, that way it'll sound a lot softer. Just like that, okay? Okay, that'll make it super easy. And then when you get to the other parts, you'll play it louder. So you're gonna do, I know we made it down. Okay, down is where you play A minor 7. Downtown reservation, let's get there early. Okay, early is G. Early, get drunk and break it. There's cabs outside. Okay, outside is where you do A minor 7. Outside we could wave and take one to that little, okay, little is G. Little dive bar you like. I know you got your red, okay, red is where you do A minor 7. Red dress on, but it was always gonna come. Okay, come is G. Come back off, so go on and call. Okay, call is A minor 7. Call me crazy, we both know it's just a matter of time, baby. So a matter is where you do G. Matter of time, baby. Okay, so after baby, you can do that quick mute or slap. Baby, with me on whiskey. Okay, then on whiskey, you're gonna play A minor 7. So that's where you started again. But you're gonna play it a lot louder. Okay, with me on whiskey, and you on wine, getting Tennessee tipsy. Okay, tipsy is G. Tipsy in the neon light. Yes, what we do. Okay, do is A minor 7. Do, girl, it's kind of our thing. A little jukebox dancing. Okay, dancing is A minor 7, or sorry, is G. Dancing in the smoky dream, we're as easy as you. You is A minor 7. You got your drink, I got mine, but we is G. We got the same thing on our mind, okay, guarantee, the beginning of guarantee is A minor 7. Guarantee, best times tend to be, B is G. With you on wine and me on whiskey. So whiskey, you go back to A minor 7. Whiskey. Then you go to G after whiskey. With you on wine and me on whiskey. Okay, at the beginning of whiskey, you do A minor 7. Whiskey. Oh. Okay, then you do that oh part, or just after whiskey, you do G. Then you go soft again. Let's get started on an all night. Let's get started on an all night nightcap. Then you're gonna do softer again, okay? Just like that. Now, second verse is the same, second chorus is the same. For the bridge, the only thing different is you're gonna do, girl, I know you got your red. I would just do single strums. Red is A minor 7. Red dress on, sitting pretty on that old. Okay, old is G. Old bar stool, and we don't ever get enough of. Okay, enough is A minor 7. Enough of this. It's pretty simple, baby. All. Okay, all is G. So enough is A minor 7, all is G. All it is. With me on whiskey, and you on wine. Just like that, okay? Then when you end the song, you can just end on that G. Okay? Super easy to play. Let me know if you guys have any questions or other requests, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See me next time.